It doesn't matter where you're coming from. It doesn't matter if you hit rock bottom. It doesn't matter if you are in debt right now. It doesn't matter if you got kicked out from your house. It doesn't matter if your family cast you out. It doesn't matter right now. Whatever you're going through or have been through is what makes you, you. And nobody can copy you. You are unique. Use your uniqueness to build your business, to build your brand. And I believe the deeper you fall, the higher you can rise. So share your failures on social media because people can resonate with the failures. Do you think people have fucking perfect lives? No, everyone have lost someone. Everyone have been through heartbreak. Everyone has probably been so much in debt because they bought stupid shit, especially US people. How many percent of Americans are in debt? Is it 76% or 84%? Can't remember. That's a shit ton of people. Share that you used it on fucking drugs and alcohol because you were young and stupid. Just fucking share it. Build a business, build a brand. It's fucking free. You have social media. God damn it. Get to work.